Picture this. You just got paid. Your money goes into your account and the debit orders start. 5 days later, 80% of your salary is gone and you are left wondering how you are going to make the remaining 20% last until your next salary. Does this sound familiar? Hi guys, welcome to Talking Money with Nozi, Personal Finance Made Simple. Today, I'll be talking about side hustles and I'm going to dish out some tough love. If you want to be successful at anything in life, you have to take action. Money is not going to come to you while you sit around and do nothing. Money is not going to come while you sit and watch TV or scroll endlessly on TikTok, on Instagram or Facebook or even on YouTube. You can watch 1,000 videos about making money, but until you get up and do something, you will not make it. Don't be that person who sits there and says to themselves, oh, I wish I earned more money. I wish this, I wish that. And you don't do anything about those wishes. Be that kind of person who is willing to learn, to work, and to take action and to take action quickly. Before you decide what kind of side hustle you want to do, you have to decide if you want to use the tools and talents and skills that you already have naturally. Or if you're going to dedicate some time to learn a new skill so that you can start earning money from that new skill. So let's get started with the side hustle ideas. Idea number 1 is writing. You can write blogs, website content, you can write CVs for job hunters, you can write essays, you can write books, you can become a magazine editor. Idea number 2 is graphics. You can design logos, you can design banners, you can design book covers, you can become a cartoonist, you can become a photographer, you can design business cards, flyers, posters. Number 3 is programming. You can become a C++ coder, a PHP coder, a JavaScript coder, a software developer, an app designer, a website designer. Number 4 is audio and video. You can become a podcaster, a YouTube video creator. You can become a narrator, a voiceover artist. You can create sound effects. You can teach music. You can become a video editor. Number 5 is business. You can become an event planner, a program manager, a virtual assistant, a project manager, a consultant. Number 6 is teaching. You can teach people how to do things, how to cook, how to sew, how to bake, how to swim, how to read, how to speak a language. You can become a fitness trainer. You can even train pets. Number 7, you can do other things like becoming a hairdresser, a makeup artist, a cleaner, a personal shopper, a home decorator. The list is endless. This is not even the tip of the iceberg of what is possible. Anything, and I mean anything, can be turned into a side hustle. I read of somebody who made lots of money during the hard lockdown in 2020. They became a virtual hairdresser. So what they did is they set up appointments with clients online and then they would guide them step by step on how to do their own hair. And they made money from that. It sounds crazy, right? But guys, making money takes a little bit of creativity, some action, and some self-belief. You need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in your ideas or else nobody else will. Once you have chosen your side income from the list that I gave you or from your own list, you need to think about these 3 things. Number 1, is there a skill that you already have from the list? This is the easiest way to make money. And guys, everybody has a skill. People are like, I don't have skills. Of course you've got a skill. You can speak a language. That's a skill. You can teach somebody else how to speak a language. Some people can cook. You can teach people. Some people are terrible at cooking. You can teach people how to bake. You can teach people how to sew, how to do hair. You can teach people anything. Some people are good with cars, like how to change a tire. Some people don't know how to change a tire. Like me, I'm useless. There are things that you know already that are in your skill set. Use that to make money. That's the easiest thing to start with. Number 2, you need to think about which skill will allow you to get started as soon as possible. And usually it's a skill that you already have. Number 3, if you do need some additional training, how long will that training take you? If you decide that you need to get trained in the area that you are interested in, there are a few places that you can go to get that training. How long the training takes depends on the skill that you have chosen. Some side hustles, like becoming a French tutor, for example, or becoming a part-time accountant, need lots of training upfront, and they may not be the best option for you if you don't already have the skill. I mean, if you don't already know how to speak French, first you need to learn how to speak French, and that'll take long, right? And for example, if you don't know accounting, first you need to learn accounting. That'll take years. If you're okay with, waiting for several years, going through the courses and everything, then that's fine. The point is, try to keep it simple and try to stick with what you know already. You can find courses to learn new skills on websites like Udemy, Skillshare, and Coursera. These are all online websites. The next thing you need to do is to set up your online presence. The more your name, your services, and your products are out there, the easier it will be for people to find you. You can create your profiles on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And you can even have a simple website. Try and make sure that you use the same picture on all your online profiles, whether it's your Facebook page or Twitter profile. It helps to develop your brand, which is you, and it also makes you more recognizable to potential customers. The next step is finding customers, right? Finding customers is the lifeline of any business, because without customers, you cannot make money. First, reach out to people that you know already. These are your friends, your family, your neighbors, etc. If you have their contacts, send them a short, simple message announcing what you are selling or what service you are providing. If they have never heard of what you are selling, offer to do it for free for the first few people who get in touch with you. This will build confidence in them. This will build confidence in you, and you can use those people later on as references as well. Another way to find customers is to use job portals like Career Junction, CareerJet, Careers24, Jobmail, PNet, etc. Another way to find customers is to use social media. That's where the majority of your clients are. Talk with the people that you follow. Answer people's questions. Join groups or follow pages of your area of expertise or side hustle of interest. Talk about your industry in an intelligent way, and people will remember you. They'll be like, that person knows what they're talking about. Let me follow them. Oh, that guy knows what he's talking about. Let me follow him. The key to doing this well is to be consistent with the topics that you cover. This will help to build your credibility as well as your expert voice. Basically, guys, put yourself out there. People will not know what you are selling or what services you are providing unless you tell them and remind them constantly. People forget. Guys, there's a lot of content on social media. People are reading things every day, every minute, every hour. And if you're not in their faces, they'll forget you. For example, I noticed one weird thing. People only buy my ebooks when I tell them about my ebooks. If I don't post about my ebooks or talk about them, nobody buys them. So don't be shy to promote yourself. Let people know how they will benefit from buying your product. Guys, some of these things you only learn by experience. It's like riding a bicycle. You can read all the literature about how to ride a bicycle. You can watch all the videos about how to ride a bicycle. But until you actually get on it and start to pedal, you will never learn how to ride a bicycle. So guys, don't only watch videos and watch videos and watch videos. You have to take action. And I know it's scary. Yes, I know. I've been there, done that. It is scary to put yourself out there. You're like, what if people judge me? What if I fail? What if this? What if that? At some point, you need to get over that and just start. Like, take a plunge. Literally, you need to take a plunge. The worst that can happen is that people will laugh at you or that people will say no. And if you think about it, it's not the end of the world. People laugh. Okay, so what? People say no. Okay, so what? You move on to the next person, right? But the key to selling is don't be scammy. Provide value. If you provide value, show people that, look, if you buy my product or if you buy my service, this is how your life is going to change. Trust me, they will buy. But if you're all about the money, you're like me, focusing on yourself only, then you will not make money. Okay, guys, enough of my rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Let's help the algorithm, guys. The more you like my videos, the more people can see it on YouTube as well. And remember, guys, I've got ebooks about personal finance as well as investing. They are on sale on my online store. You will see the link in my description below. Okay, guys, until the next time, bye.